Hey there, it's Fresh Roof. We're diving into the top 100 questions we get asked about roof maintenance and protection for your asphalt shingle roofs. Does Fresh Roof work on both new and older roofs? Yes. Fresh Roof is designed to work on both new and older roofs. The maintenance treatment is not limited to aging or damaged roofs. It can be applied as soon as the roof is new. In fact, we emphasize that applying the treatment earlier in the life of the roof can contribute to extending its overall lifespan. Whether you have a newly installed roof that you want to proactively protect or an older roof showing signs of wear and aging, Fresh Roof is formulated to address these conditions. The goal is to provide a solution that enhances the longevity of the roof, protects against environmental factors, and reduces the need for premature roof replacement.